I'm here with an individual who's no stranger to growing exposed or GreenPlanet. He's got a lot of years, super deep roots in the Humboldt community. Michael from Royal Gold.
How's it going, Justin?
Lift 2019, you're part of the GreenPlanet Village. It's so good to have you guys up here.
The village is right. It is a village. Everybody's been congregating here and stacking up and exchanging stories. It's been a really good time.
What's coming for Canada for Royal Gold?
We've got our new 70/30 cocoa that's going to be coming up here really soon. We're just waiting for our bags to come back registered, and off it goes. So we're really excited about that. Something to kind of appeal to the tuber style customer who can't get the tuber up here in Canada.
Cocoa by itself is such a gorgeous medium, and you guys have, in my opinion, perfected cocoa. I think you do a cocoa that's of a higher quality, a higher standard than every other cocoa in the industry. Adding perlite is going to make it that much more lofty and that much more aerated.
Yeah, it takes a step out of it for people. They're ready to go right out of the bag for an all-purpose medium as opposed to something that's got a little more limited window. Cocoa's a great product to use in so many ways, but straight out of the bag, there's, only so many people that have the expertise to go straight cocoa, and only so many people that want to go through the process of mixing. So we want to give it ready to use and get that same quality cocoa.
Is there a risk for people blending their own mediums at home?
Absolutely. If you're not being careful, these things are all irritants to the lungs and eyes and nose, all over it. You're kicking up all this dust. If you're not doing it in a conscientious way, you can cause yourself problems. We take that mess on so you guys don't have to.
Lots more to come from Royal Gold.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming out to Lift. Appreciate your time, Michael. Thank you.
Thank you.